Beneath this serene and tranquil atmosphere, there is a killer crawling in the shape of arsenic contamination in underground water. Prolonged use of arsenic-contaminated water beyond the permissible limit of 0.05 milligrams per liter can cause diseases like keratosis, melanosis, anemia, and various types of cancer. In the early 80s, the presence of arsenic in groundwater was detected in many districts of West Bengal. According to geochemical and hydrogeological assessment of subsoil water in the Malda district and the recommendation of various expert committees, the only long-term solution can be found in surface water. Considering the gravity of the situation, 2 surface water-based water supply schemes have already been commissioned during the year 2000 and 2003, benefiting a design population of 14.31 lakhs. Further investigation of the arsenic-affected areas pointed to the need for more surface water-based water supply schemes in the year 2006 in the Ratua Block 1. The Ratua area is surrounded by Manik Chowk in the south, Bihar in the west, and Chonchal in the north. The project that includes a part of Ratua Block 1, with a total area of 5,308.48 hectares, spread over 24 mojas, serves a population of 47,326. Out of them, 5,208 belong to the scheduled castes and 3,780 come from the scheduled tribes. The project is designed to serve a total population of 72,883 by the year 2028. The project covers 79 rural habitations, out of which 73 habitations have been found to have water affected with arsenic. The source of surface water is from the river Phulhar, which flows by the scheme periphery and is also perennial in nature. A 450-meter-long jetty has been constructed for the intake of raw water from the river. The project has been completed in record time, and the people of the area now get arsenic-free, safe drinking water, and is supplied to the end users through street stand posts and house connections for 8 hours a day at the rate of 61 liters per capita per day.
জল দিচ্ছিলাম আর ওই টেপ থেকে লিচ্ছি জল। এই জলটা আমরা খাচ্ছিলাম, আগে তো ওই কলের জল খাচ্ছিলাম, সকালে 7টার দিকে খুলে আর বিকাল 3টা 4টার দিকে খুলে। ইন্দারা জল খাচ্ছিলাম, টিউবওয়েলের জল খাচ্ছিলাম, প্রায় 60-70-80 হবে। টিউবওয়েলের জল খাচ্ছিলাম, নলকূপের জল খাচ্ছিলাম, ওই ইন্দারার জল। আগে রোগ চলে গেছে 50%, আমরা এখন ডাইজিন থেকে বিক্রি কমে গেছে এলাকাতে। হ্যাঁ, এটা অনেক জলটা আমাদের খুবই উপকারিত হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, জলটা আমাদের খুবই এখন আমাদের আয়ুটা বলে যে এই
এই জল খেয়ে খুবই উপকারিতা পেয়েছে। রক্ষণাবেক্ষণ আমাদেরই করতে হবে, পুলিশও পারবে না আর সরকারও পারবে না।
Until the effects of the killer arsenic is eradicated from the state, we cannot rest in peace. The government of West Bengal is promise-bound to the countrymen to end the menace of arsenic contamination completely with the active support of the people